This is a video about the Lionel number 455 oil derrick with the operating walking beam pump. I want to talk about what it is, how it works, tuning it up, and making it work properly. It's kind of interesting to be able to put three of them together. I think it makes a more interesting display, but I want to take a look primarily at this thermostatic strip. That's kind of the key to making the pump in action work. And it's a little difficult to show you here because it's just a very minimal amount of space that it takes to set and reset. We did check it with continuity to make sure it works, and also the solenoid and the plunger. And we wanted to take a look at the various parts, including this generator, which goes over the thermostatic strip, and the other parts that goes over the solenoid and the plunger, which is that red piece. There's also a weight on that walking beam, little plastic piece. There's a 364C controller. That's what actually enables you to turn it off and on. And of course the bubble tube, which bubbles once it gets heated up. That derrick platform or tower has one opening that is larger than the others, and that larger one there is the one that goes out towards the front of the derrick, which enables you to get a full view of that bubble tube when it's actually operating. There's the little tin signs that actually go on the lattice work for the derricks. The original ones say 455 on them. Sometimes you get the ones that belong to the 356 station. In terms of the actual platform, underneath is where the wires are connected for the transformer right here. Also, you have the solenoid and plunger at this location, and then the bubble tube holder is held by these pressure nuts that keep it in place. There's variations to look at. The light green towers, dark green. The red tops are much rarer. Most of the ones we come across are totally green. The wire in this particular derrick I was working on needed to be replaced, so we take out the bayonet bulb, pull out the little device that holds the bulb there when there's a spring. We resoldered with new tinned the wire so it would actually hold properly, and then we had to also create the wire to go into that little small piece that goes in place that the bulb sits on. Tested it, made sure the bulb worked. That was important. Wanted to make sure that we didn't have any difficulties when I resoldered it. Cleaned with some electrical contact cleaner here. The actual plunger, used a Q-tip. I had to resolder now the wire, put it back in place so it would function properly. And now we're actually testing it, and we're actually seeing that all three are working. Patience is required in working with this to get the bubble tubes to function, but we have the tower set up in one direction. You can also flip it around like I've done here to have the bubble tubes out towards you and have it on a separate sheet of Homasote like I did there. It's about 24 inches wide. It will give the greatest flexibility putting it on a layout. So we got one bubble tube really going strong. The other two I've got to check with a bulb, make sure that they're going to work. It's going to take a little more time. Would love to hear from you. Any comments you might have about your experiences, especially getting these old, 60, 70-year-old bubble tubes functioning and to make them work right. But it makes a nice display, makes some noise immediately as soon as you turn on the transformer and hit the switch, and gets people's attention quickly. And I like the idea of having three together. Thanks for watching. Appreciate that. Would like to have any feedback from you on this video. Ask you to subscribe to my channel, and if you click the bell, you'll be notified when the next video is posted. Enjoy doing this. This is my 8th video. Look forward to doing more in the very near future with the goal of trying to get one out every week that would be helpful to all of us in terms of trying to better understand all the functions of Lionel's accessories and engines. Thank you.